southeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 8:30 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Homewood or over Glenwood, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Munster and Dalton around 7:55 p.m. Calumet City and Burnham around 8 p.m. Hamlet and Whiting around 8:05 p.m. East Chicago around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm: South Chicago and Riverdale. This includes Prairie State College and South Suburban College, including the following interstates: Interstate 80 near mile marker 155, Interstate 90 between mile markers 105 and 107, Interstate 94 between mile marker 65 and 74, Interstate 294 between mile marker 65 and 74, Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 8. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service